Today's Ignite Intelligence class, दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे वाली क्लास. ओके, आज क्या करेंगे? I have one screen for you. Okay. Now, उस स्क्रीन में कुछ छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स है यहाँ वहाँ. Alright. Maya, listen to me carefully. उस स्क्रीन में leave that scale. There should be nothing in your hand. Your hands must be free and it should be keeping your hands like this to focus. Okay. Your hands must be folded like this so you can focus. All the energy goes through your hands straight into your head. Okay. So hands like this and focus. Yes. See like this. Now. No, Maya. Please listen. When we say like this, we mean like this. When we say like this, it doesn't mean like this. Okay? Somebody is talking in the background. Can you all ask them to be quiet? Somebody is talking somewhere. Somebody in the background is talking. Okay. Okay. So, today I am going to put up a screen in front of you. It has tiny blocks on it. Okay. वो क्या होगा ना, वो tiny blocks that will be removed one by one. Okay. एक एक करके उस ब्लॉक को मैं हटाऊंगी. तो क्या होगा, उसके पीछे में just behind that there is a picture. You have to guess the picture. I will not open the full screen. I will open only chota mota blocks here and there like a little jigsaw puzzle. Okay? You have to start guessing it. क्या Rajveer? What did you say?
That's what we did in
We did something.
That line one, just like that line one, na?
Yes, just like that line one. वो तो बहुत इजी हो गया अभी, है ना? वो तो अभी बहुत इजी हो गया. वो पूरा स्ट्रिप निकाल दिया तो यू कुड गेस क्या है. अभी क्या होगा ना, छोटा पीसेस यहाँ वहां से निकालेंगे. नाउ आई एम कि तुम्हारे दिमाग की बत्ती लगती है कि नहीं, है कि नहीं? ओके. आई विल गो वन बाय वन. ओके, हर एक को अपना अपना चांस मिलेगा. So when I am asking the question to Tejas, other people will keep guessing, but you're not going to answer. Okay, I'll be putting your screen on mute, so only Tejas can answer because I don't want him to know because you all know it. You got my point? Okay, हर एक के लिए एक एक question है. All right, ठीक है, चलेगा? Good.
But ma'am, means Tejas didn't answer, so we can other one will
the question will pass. The question will pass.
Ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask you that if you put a timer and if you put 5 minutes timer and Tejas has to finish in time 5 minutes and he doesn't, you have to will pass to someone else.
Yes, I will do that. Okay, let's not waste too much time talking and let's get ready for it. Ready? I'm sharing my screen. Everyone ready?
Yes.
Ready? Oh.
Yes.
Everyone can see my screen? Yeah? Okay. The first question is for Tejas. So I am going to put everybody else on mute because I don't want you smarty girls to answer and he know what it is. Okay? So you all will be quiet, absolutely quiet. But if you know the answer, no, keep it here. Keep it in your mind. Okay? Tejas, here you go. This one is for you. कुछ पता चला तेजस? ये क्या है या कौन है?
नहीं.
Okay, I will open up one more block for you.
Not guess.
No, not guess. Think. यहाँ दिमाग में यहाँ पे ऐसे खुजाओ, यहाँ पे खुजाओ, यहाँ पे खुजाओ, सब तरफ खुजाओ. Oh my God, Varushka seems to have found the answer. Come on, Tejas. I really want to know from Varushka if she has found the answer. If she has, no, my God, this will be super. Tejas, can I ask Varushka to answer, please?
Yes.
Yeah, really? You want me to allow
Yes.
Varushka to answer?
Yes, it is true. I cannot see what is that. It is covered with something.
What's it, Varushka?
It is, I think it is one god or a
No,
wolf.
Varushka, sorry. No,
God it is.
no, Varushka, no. Okay, Tejas, the question is back to you. It's still your turn.
No.
No. Think. Jodo. No, Maya. I'm going to wait for Tejas to answer. Let Tejas answer. If you know the answer, keep it with yourself.
Ma'am, only one block.
यार मैं पूरा खोल लूंगी तो ये सारा पिक्चर you will get to know ना, then what is the fun?
No, ma'am. No, I cannot guess.
You have to try. It's not going to come easy to you. तुम्हें सोचना पड़ेगा क्या है.
Ma'am, more two blocks then. I did. One more.
No, you guess. One more. But you'll ask me to open the whole screen. Varushka,
No,
Rajvi, relax. Varushka, relax. Rajvi, relax. Relax, girls. It's Tejas' turn. क्या बात है तेजस, नहीं पता चल रहा?
नहीं मैम.
Yeah, what is this?
I'm not seeing the picture. Only 2 and 3. Something covered, please.
कुछ तो गेस करो कि ये क्या है. कुछ तो गेस करो. Try to make some guesses. Monkey. हे राम. गोरिल्ला. हे राम तेरी माया. कहीं धूप कहीं छाया. नहीं, ये ना मंकी है ना गोरिल्ला है. ये वरुष्का रिलैक्स. Varu, relax. Shanti. Take a deep breath. Calm down. Tejas, अरे बाप रे, Tejas is not scratching his head anymore. He's knocking on his head. कि यार कोई तो जवाब.
I'm not knocking. I'm taking out the question.
ये इतना तुम सर पे ऐसे करोगे ना, कान में से सारा वैक्स निकलेगा. Ready? Okay, let me just.
No, ma'am, not guess anything. What?
Varushka, your answer is right. Keep quiet. Varushka, your answer is right. Keep quiet. Varushka, I already told you your answer is right. Now keep quiet. Now just relax and keep quiet. Come on, Tejas, Varushka has guessed it. Maya, quiet. Everybody else quiet. It's Tejas' turn. We need to give him sufficient time. He has 5 minutes, no?
No, ma'am, no guess.
Tejas, तुम इनको रोज देखते हो. वरुष्का बोलेगी क्या तेजस? What is this?
Teacher?
हाँ. You mean to say a teacher है? Hey Bhagwan. Chalo, I'm going to open one more screen for you and then I think after that it will be the last one.
No guesses.
Varushka has guessed it and she just can't keep it inside her. उसके मुंह से ऐसे फुदक के वो आंसर बाहर निकल रहा है. Come on, Tejas. Kaire Tejas, what is this? One last chance. Chal, one last chance. One last chance.
Oh. Hare, I'm guessing it, but I cannot see the eyes.
Acha.
Oh.
Should I just keep the entire picture right in front of you? Then you can completely know the
No,
answer.
ma'am.
No, na? Okay, thank you, thank you.
Only one.
तुम तो कब से you're telling me only one more, yaar. What is this?
No, ma'am. I'm just.
You just
One
actually just have a
minute.
few more seconds left for your time to be up. I will not open up this list anymore.
Devendra sir, ma'am.
What?
Devendra sir.
Devendra sir? You think this is Devendra sir?
I can
Oh my God. Devendra sir will be jumping in his bed right now.
I cannot see, ma'am.
You cannot. Tejas gives up. I think I'm going to pass it on to Varushka because she's itching to say it.
Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji. Gandhi.
Yes, this is Mahatma Gandhi.
Come on, yaar, I knew it. रोज किधर देखता मैं गांधी so easy.
Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah, Tejas. Tejas, tell me one thing. You see him every day. Tejas.
मैं तो क्या रोज भी देखता हूँ गांधी जी को.
Tejas, listen to me. मुझे जब एक जगह बताओ जहाँ पे गांधी जी हमारे घर में हमेशा रहते हैं.
क्या पता मैम.
तो सोचो और बताओ, दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ. Come on, Rajvi, you tell me.
हमारे हार्ट में.
हमारे हार्ट में. Wow, that is so sweet. No, but that's not the answer I'm looking for.
In our mind. Picture में.
Picture. तुम रोज पिक्चर देखते हो गांधी जी वाला? गांधी जी हमारे घर में हमेशा रहते हैं. कहाँ पे रहते हैं?
गॉड के पास.
नहीं.
गॉड.
नहीं.
नेबर में.
तुम्हारा घर नेबर में है?
न्यूज में.
चलो सोचो. My God, children, you all are second standard. If I ask this question to KG, no, they will also tell me. Come on, kids. मतलब तुम लोग घर के आसपास कुछ भी देखते ही नहीं हो क्या?
नहीं मैम.
Very bad. Very bad. ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
अरे मनी में.
Oh, Maya was going to say that it is in his book. Gandhiji is in her book. Okay. But I was getting at this. See, the currency of India, Indian currency notes will always have Gandhiji's photo on it. See that? See, so simple, no? तुम सबको पता था. Did not think deep.
Made this.
You all knew the answer, but nobody thought deep enough to come up with this answer. Correct? Yes कि नहीं? हाँ कि नहीं?
No, ma'am. I can know it only.
You know that he is always there on our currency, but you all didn't remember it. Come on.
I only forgot. I know the answer of Gandhi ji.
You should.
I saw his
mustache.
That's
You should not forget anything. That's why I'm saying dimag ki batti jalao. Chalo, next picture. Next picture goes to Maya. Next picture goes to Maya. And Maya, here is your picture. Any guesses?
No. Open the next one. Next.
Maya, keep your hand down and talk. If you're going to cover your mouth, I can't hear you clearly.
Is it Raksha Bandhan?
Maya, what are you talking?
Open the next box, ma'am.
Varushka is already raising her hand. I don't think, Varushka, you can guess this yet. You think, okay, Maya, I'm just going to switch it to Varushka to see if she really knows it. Yes, Varushka.
King.
No. Okay, that's it, Varushka. Your chance is over. Okay, I'm going to open one more screen. Come on, everybody, itch your head and figure it out.
Is it Queen Elizabeth?
Queen Elizabeth. No. It's not Queen.
One second. Now open the next box now.
No, think. What is this? ये क्या लग रहा है? ये ऐसे क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पे?
It is a girl, right?
No, it's not a girl.
Is it Amitabh Bachchan?
Maya?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to ask Tejas if he knows the answer. Yes, Tejas, what do you think this is?
It is a tiger.
No, it is not. Maya, I'm going to open one more screen.
It is Raksha Bandhan.
Maya, how is this Raksha Bandhan? Just because you've seen something somewhere doesn't mean this is what it is.
Okay.
Look at the picture and try to figure it out. You're thinking of something else. If you're going to think of something else, you cannot focus. You have to answer what you're seeing on your screen. Rajvi, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to give you a chance. What is it?
It is a person.
Person.
Ma'am, you open the next box. What is this?
Think. It's not going to be easy.
Is it a god?
Sorry, what?
Is it a god?
You are getting near the answer.
It is a god?
You are getting near the answer.
Krishna! Who is this man?
Durga Mata. No, this is not Durga Mata.
Then open the next box.
I'm only going to open one more and expecting you to answer this. Huh?
What is this? Is it Ganesha?
How did you guess it is Ganesha, Maya?
Is it Ganesha?
How did you guess it is Ganesha? Why do you think it is Ganesha?
I saw there. His photo is there.
Oh dear.
Oh, it is Ganesha. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Everybody, come on, let's do this. Everybody, come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Mangal Murthy Moria. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Mangal Murthy
Moria.
Join your hands, bow to the Lord. Join your hands, bow to the Lord. And tell Ganesh Bhagwan कि मेरा बुद्धि बढ़ाओ. Ganesh Bhagwan is a source of buddhi. भगवान को बोलो मेरा बुद्धि बढ़ाओ. Help me in improving my behavior. Help me in improving my study. Help me in gaining knowledge. Come on, bow your head. Excellent, excellent. Good job, kids. Good job. Are we ready for the next screen?
Yes.
Next screen is for Rajvi.
Ma'am, what was the answer?
Arey Baba, you didn't see? This is the answer, Varushka. This is the answer, Varushka.
That was I was going to tell. Ganpati.
You know what? You know what? Okay.
I got disconnected. Ma'am.
I could see your lips move like that, and I knew you had guessed the answer. But I wanted to wait for Maya to guess the answer because it was her turn. Correct? Okay. Now Rajvi, it is your turn. Let's go to the next screen. Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready, Rajvi?
Yes.
Children, please don't unmute yourself. क्या है ये राजवी? व्हाइट अंडा है क्या? बॉइल्ड एग है क्या? नहीं. ओके, लेट्स गो आगे.
A kid's mama is there and I know. That is Raksha Bandhan.
That was fairly easy. I felt that if I did not open a couple more screens, there was no way you were going to guess this. So yes, Rajvi, you got it absolutely right. You got it absolutely right. Yes, that is a brother and sister, and that is Raksha Bandhan. Yes, you are right. Okay, cool. Good guess. Good guess, Rajvi. Good guess. Okay, are we ready for the next screen? Maya, not right now. We have to go over to Varushka now. Okay, are we ready? Varushka, are you ready for the next one? Oh, Varushka, your screen is blocking up every now and then. Varushka, are you there? Varushka, the next screen is opening up for you. It's your turn.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Okay.
Your screen is frozen, so
Yes.
I wasn't sure.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Okay, there you go.
Not yet. Well, hat shop?
No.
Because I see hat. Picnic?
No. Wait a minute. I think the screen has got stuck. Wait a minute, Varushka. Just hold it right there. Varushka, wait. I need to stop the screen share, okay? And I need to just fix it. Something's gone wrong. Just give me a moment.
What has gone into
Okay. There we go. Sit back, eat your snack, no touching the phone or laptop, chill maro, khana khate raho, and sirf muh chalao.
Okay. I can see a hat. A frame. Girl sitting. A girl sitting and having a picnic or enjoying the view.
No. No, Maya, now nobody's turn now. We just have 5 minutes. No one's going to get their turn. It's only going to be Varushka who will answer. No one's getting any turn. Okay? Everybody. Any guesses, Varushka, so far? Keep eating. Don't forget to eat. खाते रहोगे तो दिमाग अच्छे से चलेगा. खाते रहो. खाते रहो. चबाते रहो. Keep biting. Keep chewing. Chew your food well. सोचो.
No guesses yet.
क्या?
No guesses yet. No guesses yet.
An old man
selling.
okay. सर आ गए हैं क्लास में. जल्दी खाओ.
Okay. No guesses.
No guesses बोला तो कैसे चलेगा वरुष्का? You have to guess, no?
An old man sitting and selling hats.
No.
There's an old man and someone is putting there's one lady and then somebody is putting legs on the lady's lap.
क्या वरुष्का? खाते रहो. सब लोग खाते रहो. भूलना मत खाने को. Keep eating.
I think I almost got the answer. Kind of.
Everybody else keep eating. Sir has come to your class. Everybody else keep eating. You have finished your turn, so everybody
Buddha?
keep eating. Finally, Varushka. Oh, yes, this is Gautam Buddha. Very good. Fold your hands. Gautam Buddha is the treasure of knowledge. He is the treasure of knowledge. He would always say, love everyone around you and respect everyone around you. जो भी तुम्हारे आसपास है उनको बहुत प्यार दो और उनको बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करो. Okay, isn't that so simple? Is it? Do we do that every day?
Yes.
Love everyone around us and respect everyone around us. Yeah? Join your hands, fold your hands, bow down to the person of ultimate knowledge. Bow down to the person of immense knowledge and say, please enlighten me, Gautam Buddha. Lord, please enlighten me. Enlighten me with knowledge. Enlighten me with sensibility. Enlighten me with prosperity. Enlighten me with a lot of love that I can share with everyone. Teach me to be kind. Teach me to be loving and caring towards everybody. Bow your head with all your heart. Think of this image inside your mind. When you close your eyes and you think of Gautam Buddha, you should be able to think of this image inside your mind. Okay? All right. Good job, children. Good job. Clap for yourself. Pat your backs. Clap for yourself. Eat quickly. Clap for yourself. Pat your backs.
Ma'am,
Yes, Maya.
I knew the answer.
Good. Very good. Even Rajvi knew the answer. But I had to give the chance to Varushka because we had very little time. I didn't have time to open everybody's mic. So I had to only allow Rajvi to answer. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. खा के हो गया, खा पी के हो गया सबका. गुड जॉब किड्स. आज किस किस का दिमाग का बत्ती जला? सबका. एवरीबॉडीज इंटेलिजेंस वाज इग्नाइटेड. सबका दिमाग का बत्ती खुला.
क्लास में
Yes, good, very good, very good. Keep it up.